Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you an incredible new feature that we now have on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and this feature is introduced with Wear OS 4 and One UI 5 update. So to use this feature, first you need to go in Settings, then go in Advanced Features and go in Customize Buttons. Now here for the Home button, for press and hold you have to select Bixby. If it's on Assistant or on Power Off menu, this feature will not work, so you have to select Bixby. Then come back, and now whenever you are in a text field using the Samsung keyboard, you can use this feature. So now there is a text field here. I'm going to tap on it and the whole keyboard comes up, but I can use this shortcut to voice type anything that I want, and it works great and seamlessly. This is a home button shortcut test for voice typing. It works great and it is flawless, and it is a very impressive new feature on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So now you can use this feature to type long messages even on your Galaxy Watch, and it works great. You can see here it's very accurate. It picks up on your voice clearly and types it out very accurately. So it's a very impressive new feature. I really like it. I've been using it for a while now, and it removes the hassle of typing on those small buttons on your watch, and you can just use your voice to quickly type out long messages. So yeah, that's about it from this video guys. I hope you've enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.